When it comes to purchasing products or services online, trust is a big factor in the decision-making process. Customers want to feel confident that they're making the right choice and that they'll get what they paid for. This is where customer testimonials can be incredibly valuable for businesses. Research shows that 75% of people always or regularly read online reviews, and 68% form an opinion after reading between 1 and 6 online reviews. By leveraging the power of customer testimonials, businesses can showcase the positive experiences and feedback of their existing customers effectively, driving conversion rates and sales. Build trust and credibility with potential customers, speeding up their buying process. Highlight the unique selling points and benefits of your offering. You can create a testimonial section anywhere on your site. This is where Foxify Smart Page Builder comes in handy. It's your secret weapon to create stunning testimonials on your Shopify store easily. Welcome to Foxify Tutorials by FoxEcom. In today's video, we will show you how to create a testimonial section in Foxify. You can use the timestamps to navigate through the video.
A theme can be considered the backbone of your store, defining its overall look, feel, and functions. We proudly present to you Zest, a solid base for your online store that is more flexible than flexibility, optimized for conversion and packed with built-in features, and especially dealt with the success of mobile commerce in mind. Your store is generated by clean code, tested and approved by Shopify. Ready to grow your business using the most beloved theme. And get support from our dedicated team. Join the mobile revolution with Zest.
Now, let's get back to creating a testimonial section using Foxify. You can either add a testimonial section to your Foxify template or create a new custom section to add everywhere on your theme. Let's start designing a testimonial section. In your Foxify dashboard, navigate to the Sections Manager and select Create Section. In the Sections library, you will see some pre-made templates of the sections. Use a preset to get started instantly or create a blank section from scratch. Here we will create a blank section. Give the section a title and select the section type. To learn more about the difference between these two section types, check out our video for it. Select Add Section, then Testimonials. The section is divided into two parts, Section Header and Testimonial Content. In the section header, you can add different elements to it, like a description, or a button to direct customers to your desired page. To add a description, simply click Add Block, and drag the block to change its position if needed. Onto the testimonial content, you will be able to add or remove testimonial items shown in your section. In each item, you can add rating stars, the featured review, and the author's information. You can also showcase an image beside your testimonial. This depends on the layout you use. There are 5 different layouts suggested in Foxify. They are crafted by our UI/UX masters, aiming to provide a high-converting shopping experience for your store. Once you have decided on the layout you want, use the slider settings to define the number of columns per row on the desktop and the gap between them, as well as other add-ons. Use the Styles tab settings to style the section the way you like. Let's give our testimonial content some padding and a background color to highlight it. Make sure you check the design on mobile for perfection. You don't need to do anything here, because Foxify's sections are already designed with optimal responsiveness in mind. That's it. Save and publish the section to use it with your theme's templates. Now that we've explored the immense potential of customer testimonials and how to create such a section using Foxify, it's time to take action. By strategically placing testimonials on your website, you can create a compelling narrative of satisfied customers who vouch for your products or services. If you like our video, make sure you give the video a thumbs up and hit subscribe so you won't miss any other future tutorials. Thank you for watching.